Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Able to hear me?
Yeah, you are audible,
Yes,
doctor.
Kshitij
All
ji,
right,
please
thank
go
you.
ahead.
Please
So
proceed.
there was a little disturbance because of the.
Yeah.
No, it's fine. You are
Yeah.
audible.
Now it's
Thank
very
you
well
so much.
audible.
Thank you so much. This is the second edition of Enrich Isame GAT seminar, and I welcome one and all everyone, especially the GAT area leader, हमारे डायनेमिक जगदीश गुलाटी साहब. मैं आपका स्वागत करता हूं. और सबसे पहले हमारे मेंटर हमारे साथ जुड़े हुए हैं, राजेश मेहरा साहब, आपका भी स्वागत है. हमारे प्रेजेंटर्स बीएस नागराज जी और हमारे सुनील वोरा साहब, हमारे एक्स पास्ट मेडिकल काउंसिल चेयरमैन, आपका भी स्वागत है. हमारे कोलीग कोऑर्डिनेटर सौरभ जी, जिन्होंने बहुत मेहनत की है इस पूरे प्रोग्राम के लिए. सौरभ जी, आपका भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और स्वागत साथ में ही. संजीव, यू बीन अ ट्रेमेंडस सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन एज ऑलवेज. आज भी आपने खुद फोन करके अपने आप को इनवाइट किया कि आई विल टेक केयर ऑफ द प्रोसीडिंग्स एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू हैंड ओवर द प्रोसीडिंग्स टू यू. So thank you for always being there. I can see a lot many people who have been connected to this. Participant strength हमारी अभी 63 ही है. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा आप सभी लोगों से कि जितना और लोगों से बात करके उनको कनेक्ट कर पाए उतना अच्छा होगा. आज के दोनों टॉपिक्स बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग हैं और मैं जो एजेंडा है उसके हिसाब से टॉपिक्स और प्रेजेंटर्स के बारे में बात नहीं करना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि वो हम मेंटर्स के ऊपर छोड़ दे रहे हैं. मेंटर्स बात करेंगे टॉपिक्स के बारे में और प्रेजेंटर्स के बारे में. बस मैं इतना कहना चाहूंगा कि आप सभी लोगों से गुजारिश है, जहां तक हो सके अपने कॉन्टैक्ट्स में एक बार फोन करके उनसे बोलिए कि वो कनेक्ट हो जाएं, सो दैट एवरीबॉडी गेट्स बेनिफिटेड फ्रॉम दिस सेमिनार. मैं अपनी तरफ से भी एक बार जहां जहां पे मैं बात कर सकता हूं मैं करता रहूंगा बीच बीच में. एंड आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द पीपल हु आर कनेक्टेड टू प्लीज इनवाइट मेनी मोर पीपल. मैं देख पा रहा हूं अभी हमारे को होस्ट बिनॉय जी यहाँ पे हमारे साथ बीच में हैं, जो कि हमारे मल्टीपल के मेंटर हैं, और राजेश भाई हमारे बीच में ही हैं. आई कैन सी बिरिंदर सोहल जी, पास्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर विद अस, एंड मेनी मोर. इट विल बी डिफिकल्ट टू टेक ऑल द नेम्स एंड इट विल बी यूज ऑफ बहुत ज़्यादा समय निकाल देगा. तो मैं चाहूंगा कि सीधे सीधे अपने गैट एरिया लीडर जगदीश गुलाटी भैया को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि वो आकर के आप सबका वेलकम करें और इस प्रोग्राम को आगे बढ़ाएं. गुलाटी सर.
Thank you very much, Dr. Kshitij. It's my pleasure. It is my pleasure to welcome you all. This is the second Enrich program, which is being conducted in this area, multiple 321. I am happy that we have immediately joined around more than 60, 65 participants are already here. For this Enrich program, our presenters are here, B.S. Nagaraj, and of course, Lion Sunil Vora. Sunil Vora is past council chairman, and B.S. Nagaraj is presently Vice District Governor first elect. I am very happy to welcome them all. They are very good speakers, very good presenters. Luckily, I had the opportunity to give some experience to them in FDI. Both were with me. And this is a good opportunity to see their performance here. And they have prepared very well. One thing for information of all, Dr. Sunil Vora. Sunil Vora ji might be presenting some part and presentation in Hindi. I think you will relish it. And whenever you want to change him in English, he will do that. So this is a support we have to extend to our presenter. You know, the topic of today is Campaign 100. Campaign 100, B.S. Nagaraj will take it up. And the another topic is Global Causes Diabetes, which Lion PMCC Sunil Vora will take it up. And they will inform you. I have one suggestion for all the participants, that please try to understand and get motivated from the information you are getting. You might be also well informed of all and everything in the presentation. There you have to support, and even then the presenters that work hard, you please listen to them. And if you have any query, you are advised to immediately ask them. They will reply them. If there is a question hour session after the presentation for 5 minutes, they will try to cover all the presentations from there, and questions will be attended. With this, I welcome mentor Rajesh Mehra also. He is also a very rich trainer and has experience of conducting training programs all over India and other places also. I welcome you, Rajesh ji. And with this, I request Dr. Kshitij to please take over and invite the presenters and their motivator and their mentors. Dr. Kshitij, please carry on. Dr.
Sir,
Kshitij.
unmute करिए sir. Dr. Kshitij, kindly unmute. Dr. Kshitij, kindly unmute.
Yes, I got unmuted now. I was trying for all this time. Thank you, Gulati sir. I request the mentor for B.S. Nagaraj ji. हमारे राजेश मेहरा सर हमारे बीच में हैं. मैं राजेश मेहरा जी को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि राजेश मेहरा साहब आएं और हमारे फर्स्ट प्रेजेंटर के बारे में उनके बारे में बताएं, उनको प्रेजेंट करें और उनके टॉपिक के बारे में बताएं. राजेश मेहरा साहब.
Thank you very much, Dr. Kshitij ji, respected Jagdish Gulati ji, and all the dignitaries present and friends. Well, it's a privilege to introduce a graduate of the FDI Colombo of 2015, currently who is the second Vice District Governor of District 317F, an economics graduate, now in the business of distribution of industrial pumps and valves, who joined Lionism in the year 1978-79, was a member at Belgaum, which currently is District 317B, but he moved to Bangalore in 1990 and joined the Lions Club of Bangalore Jai Mahal, which is his home district now, District 317F. He has served in all the positions at club level, served at the district level in various capacities like the zone chair, region chair, district chairpersons of various committees, GLT chairperson 3 times, GMT coordinator, GLT coordinator, cabinet treasurer, twice district cabinet secretary, illustrious lion, PMJF lion, B.S. Nagaraj. He is married and blessed with 2 children. One of them is an engineer and his daughter is working for an ad agency. It's a privilege to present a wonderful presenter, a very knowledgeable person whom I have met earlier also, have conversed earlier also, who is going to speak to us on the topic of Campaign 100. So over to you, Lion B.S. Nagaraj, and all the best to you, sir.
MD321 welcomes you.
Good evening and namaskar to each and everyone. My dear friend, Dr. Kshitij, my Guruji at ALLA Ghaziabad and FDI, Gulati ji, my dear friends from 321, it's my great honor to be with you this evening to give a brief presentation on Campaign 100. Before I would start, I would like to do a pranam to my Guruji by saying, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Thank you, Lion B.S. Nagaraj, for
I'm
giving
honored,
so
sir.
much respect.
You are the one who taught us at the LLI, and today, if at all, if I completed my FDI, you are one of the reason for the person for this. And equally, my great mentor, Rajesh Mehra ji, who was the co-governor of my ID, Vamsidhar Babu. I had lots of interactions with him. He was one of our guest speakers in one of our last year Udan series. He did come, he did talk to us. Unfortunately, he could not be with us. My pranams to you, to Rajesh also, and for the wonderful introduction you gave to this audience. Friends, my only drawback is that I'll not be able to speaking Hindi is totally different than doing a presentation in Hindi. So my presentation is going to be in English. If you still have a question in Hindi, you can put it in the chat box, and my dear friend Saurabh will help me with that question. I'll try to answer as far as possible. If I don't have the answer, I'll definitely come back to you and clarify all your doubts. So with this, let us proceed with today's presentation on Campaign 100. Little problem, I'll just do that.
Any issues, Nagaraj ji?
I'm just locating my
PPT?
PPT that suddenly it is vanished from here. That's what I'm just 2 minutes. I'll just
No problem, no problem. Technology is
No
something
problem. Be comfortable. No problem.
we are all challenged with. Every day there is a new challenge
Yes,
in technology,
yes.
sir.
New challenges coming in. Don't worry. Be comfortable.
Yeah, yeah. Meanwhile, I must acknowledge it's nice to see 78 participants already. I think by 8:30 we'll be crossing 100. That's my reading of North 321.
Good, good, excellent.
Myself being from North, sir, तो वैसे ही है ना, we start a little late.
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Yeah.
Yes.
All the best to you, sir. All the best to you.
Thank you. Sorry for the small lapse. So this
No
is-
problem, it's fine.
The day is Campaign 100. Friends, as you all know that this is the brainchild of our Lions Clubs International Foundation. Our foundation started this program called Campaign 100. And before we go on to the Campaign 100, let us just have a look at what is our LCF is doing with this Campaign 100. Now, as all of you know that LCF is our foundation, and our foundation is a charitable arm of our LCI. This is our foundation, and this is where we get our grants. It's a non-profit making organization. These grants, whatever we get, is utilized for various causes. Now let us go and see what are the things there. Is our foundation is supports all the Lions causes, all the service activities in the community, and it has created a very big impact in the society, especially in the humanitarian services and projects, by giving various type of grants. And what are those grants? One is SITE, which we all are very well aware about this, the youth disaster relief. This also we are very well aware about this. Any disaster takes place in this country, immediately NCF grants are reaching the concerned place with minimum 10,000 USD, and also for various humanitarian efforts. The total impact we have created is 1.1 billion, and this is very, very impressive figure, and we should be very proud of this. Every $1 coming in goes out. In the sense, anything we receive, it is utilized for the various causes. It could be on the investment on the global communities. And the best part of our foundation is that the funds, whatever grants we get, are very, very strict, in the sense they have to meet all the requirements, and we always have a grant manager, or we call it as, sorry, I'm not getting that name, the person who looks at the distribution of the funds at the various levels. And whatever money is there, the full donations amount received by the foundation are utilized for various LCF projects. Now, what are those? Today, what is the world requires today is 400 million people are affected with diabetes, which is very, very alarming. 800 million people go to bed without eating. That means they don't have food. 253 million are blind in this world, and 245 people lost they lost their life because of the measles. Every 2 minutes, a child is diagnosed with cancer, which is very, very alarming. Half of the population will be stressed for water in 2025, which is very alarming. We are in 21, just next 4 years, half of the population are going to be stressed with pure drinking water. And we have been seeing lots of natural calamities are being taking, natural disasters are taking place in this world. It is increasing by 15% every year, and every two-thirds of every two child of three are being bullied, which is also very, very alarming. Now, let's get into Campaign 100. A small question to the participants. You can put your answer in the chat box, and Saurav, please help me. What is this Campaign 100? When it started, and what is the objective of this Campaign 100? Please put your answers in the chat box. Any answers, Saurabh?
Not yet, sir.
Okay. Okay, let us not lose time here because time is very, very important.
I have an answer. Sanjay Gupta is saying it started in 2017.
Absolutely, Sanjay Gupta, you're absolutely right. Thank you very much. Let us see what it is. Yes, as you said, it launched in 2017 in Las Vegas, and the main purpose was objective was to raise $300 million. Very impressive and very nice, big target to be achieved. The main purpose of this fundraising is to impact across the globe on the various service activities we have been doing, especially towards vision, youth, disaster, and humanitarian services. Apart from this, it was also to fight diabetes, which is, as I said, we saw it in the earlier slide, that the figures are very, very alarming. Apart from this, we are also going to fund this for all the global causes like environment, childhood cancer, and hunger. The main purpose of Campaign 100 took place, as you said, that 217. And what is this? Let us see. It's a capital fundraising for our foundation. What does it say? 100 years of service. We have completed 1 century of our service to this globe. 100% participation. That means each and every member has to participate in this program by contributing $100 each year. What a beautiful caption we have got. Campaign 100, 100 years of service, 100% participation, and $100 each. Now, what this $100 is going to do, let us have a look at it. Our global causes. What will do the $100, what we contribute? It takes care of 2 cataract surgeries. It takes care of the Quest curriculum for the entire classroom of the children there for 1 year. Imagine $100 for 1 year. for the entire curriculum of the quest. And disaster relief. Immediately, people who are suffering from the disaster can be accommodated. And humanitarian, 100 children can be vaccinated for measles. Other one is screening of diabetes for 18 risk diabetes patients. Risk means here who are above the border level. I'm sure Dr. Saab will accept this, that at risk people who are diabetic risk means they are already crossed their borderline and that it is at risk. 18 people can be treated with the $100 what we contribute per year. Childhood cancer. This is also a very, very alarming, which is we have been seeing every 2 minutes a child is detected with the cancer. It will help at least 8 kids for a basic screening, for equipment for a basic screening for a child, and 14 people can be fed for the hunger, which is again, we have been seeing lots of programs going on in our country, in various clubs, in various multiple districts, hunger program. This $100, 7,500 rupees for us. We being Lions, I don't think 7,500 should be a big money to contribute towards this. And environment, 14 people can be accommodated to drink water, which is basic needs of our individual. Any person, basic requirement is clean drinking water. Now let us see in the picture here, this is a vision, youth, disaster relief, humanitarian, diabetes, hunger, childhood, cancer, and environment. Friends, let us go and see further how we can participate in this campaign 100. How we can participate. One is donate. We can donate. You can become MJF, PMJF. Various avenues are there for us to do it. The next one is advocate. What is this advocate means? As a member of this wonderful organization, we have to motivate our own members in the clubs to participate in this noble cause by donating for this particular campaign 100. And finally, volunteer. What is volunteer? We have so many friends of ours who are ready to contribute for a noble cause. It is for us to go and tell him what is that we have done, what is that we have been doing, and we can always take donations from him, take donations from them. It could be a company, it could be an individual, it could be a family. This is volunteering. Now let us look at other avenue of contributing for campaign 100 called as model clubs. If each and every one of you know is very, very well what is campaign model club is. Now I'll just give you a small example how we calculate this. $500 per regular member, excluding, we have to exclude the family members here. If I've given an example also, example, the total, if a club has got a 25 members, out of that 5 years of family members, now left out is only 20 members. 20 members into 500 becomes $10,000. This $10,000 when you contribute to as a model club, the club contributes to campaign 100. They have been designated as model club. They have been declared as model clubs. Now, the 3 things to remember here in a model club. All funds raised from July 2017 is also counted. Again, I'm telling all funds raised from 1st of July by the clubs towards model clubs are counted, and the closing time for them is 30th of June 2023. Please bear it in mind. clubs who have participated from 2017 towards model clubs, whatever could be the amount depending upon the regular members of your club. The closing of this model club for them is 2023. Funds raised during this, from this financial year, that is 1st of July 2021, the closing is 2025. The only thing, you have a period of 5 years to pay the entire amount of the model club in 5 installments, depending upon the funds availability of the club. They may pay in one shot or they may pay in 5 installments. If as a class $10,000 is there, if 4 members decide to become MJF, straight away you get 4,000 rupees there. 4,000 USD. So that makes the club to pay only 6,000 USD, which the burden on the club comes down to a greater extent. What a nice way the international has brought into us, or foundation has brought this. No putting entire pressure on one particular year. They have given a span of 21 to 25, 5 years to take care of the payments to be made in various installments. Now, having talked all this, now the questions arises is that why should we contribute? And what do we do with this money? Friends, it is anybody will ask this question. When we volunteer, we go and talk to our friends, our family members who are ready to contribute, who have been regularly contributing to various service organizations. When we say, please contribute, the first question they will ask, why should I contribute? And what they are going to do with this money? Let us look at what is that we can do out of this $100. For the last 50 plus years, 800 crores, that is 1.1 billion, we said that impact the initial stages, have been utilized given for site, 3,110 crores, and we have given for disaster relief 880 crores, that is $118 million, and for health, 870 lakhs children have been vaccinated for measles, and 160 children have been benefited through this quest. What an impressive figure of in the last 50 years. When you look at all these figures, are we not proud to be a member of this wonderful organization? Friends, this is what we have to tell our friends, tell our relatives, tell other CSR or companies, look, this is what we have done. So please help us, give us the money so that we can do much more better than what we have done. Now let us take into account what we have done, or rather what in India has got it from our foundation. Let us look at it and what it is. Total grants is 1,970 grants we have received from the foundation, amounting to 750 crores. 750 crores is a mind-boggling figure. And what is that happened? 250 line hospitals are built across the country. 160 lakh children have been benefited through this Quest program. 51 dialysis centers have been started, and 100 plus schools and colleges have benefited. The schools and colleges I'm talking about, Lions schools and colleges. It is not the private other schools. It is our own schools. Many districts have got their own schools who are running their school. And today I can proudly say that 3 to 4 schools in our multiple have been doing so well. The people stand in the queue because the kind of education they are imparting there so nice that we match with any private schools. So friends, when we look at this, grants covering what all the things, water, health, sanitation, diabetic, the rehabilitation center, so many developments have taken place in our own country. What is that we are contributing? We are contributing only 33%. What is that we are getting? 100%, 67% more than what we are contributing, we are getting in India. Don't you think now increase our contribution to this great movement, to our own foundation, which we get it back for our own major projects where we are having crash crunch. If your project report is beautiful, if your project report is approved, if your matching grant is there, your funds is coming from the international. So friends, what are the ways to contribute? Let us look at it annually. $200, you get a 3-star pin like this. $100, you get a 2-star pin, and $50, you get this single star pin. It's so simple that way. $50 annually. If you look at it, it is hardly about 3,500 rupees or 3,500 plus extra. Minimum $100 we pay. $200 you pay annually. After 5 years, you become an MJF. We have to pay $1,000. Instead of that, you pay this every annual, or you can pay even semi-annual. But maximum is annual. If you can pay, we are always welcome to do it. Now, apart from that, what I'm talking about, Melvin Jones Fellow, which was established in 1973, by giving your $1,000, you get this beautiful pin and also the plaque. And you pay beyond this, you'll get only pins with 2 diamond studded or 3, whatever it is. Now, depending on how many you pay, you get this PMJF. Dr. Saab was telling me that he is got a 6 or 10. Dr. Saab, how much 6?
4 star.
4 star.
4 PMJF.
4 star. That means he has
5
contributed
donations.
4,000 rupees.
5,000.
5,000 USD till date.
Yes.
What a noble cause. Sir, pranam to you for wonderful contribution you have done. These donations, what we will do, are really used for humanitarian services, which we all know it. In spite of sometimes we don't contribute. Let us be generous and contribute towards this noble cause. Now, pledging amount, people talk about, I pledge $5,000, I pledge $7,000 or $15,000. What do they get? By pledging $300 annually, you become line of service, and 600 USD annually. Again, all dollars, these figures are all in dollars. You become line of kindness. When you pay 1,000, line of action. And when you pay 2,500, line of dedication. When you pay 5,000, line of commitment. At 15,000, you become empowerment. And when you pay 25,000 US, you get lead major gifts. All these up to $1,000, you get a beautiful pin from there. From 1,000 onwards, you get a plaque, you get a certificate, the beautiful certificate from the international president. Now, when you do all this, recognition even for a model club is there. This $500, what I was talking to you, for start from there, $500 per club. And you can go up to 3,500 plus. You'll be called as a premier model club. The starting with the model, then comes visionary, then 200% model club, 300 model clubs. You get a beautiful plaque like this and also a patch. And all these counts, your $300, your MJF, your PMJF, and model clubs. These are all the way which we can contribute to our foundation. Now let us come to the most important aspect or point of the donors, the lead donors of 3-2-1 multiple. Let us look at the names of this. Dr. Naresh Agrawal, our past international president from 321D, and Prithvi Jairath from 321F, and major donors between $25,000 to $49,000 is Kishore Verma from 321F. All are 321, Ranveer Uppal and K. Sandhu, 321F district, great. My namaskars to all the donors, major donors of this. Now, the most important, friends, what is that 321 has contributed to campaign 100? Let us look at it. If you look at this whole scenario, you'll find that at an average, only 41% have been paid fully. You know that this is going to end on 30th of 2022. We are hardly left with 8 months. In fact, when the trustee line of Vijay Kumar Raju was in Bangalore recently on the 2nd for a campaign 100 at the LCF conclave, he said, though you have 9 months, please don't wait till 9 months, because you try to complete in 8 months. After that, we have lots of other work to do, lots of documentation has to be done. So please contribute. When you look at this, you see this, there is a very, very big gap, especially with 321 B2. Please don't mistake me if I'm telling you this. What I'm trying to tell is that you are only at 4%. I'm not a competent authority to dictate or talk something on this. I'm just giving you the facts and figures. Why I'm giving this is only to tell you that, friends, we have very short time, and let us all unitedly, collectively collect the funds, give to our foundation so that we can create another impact. We have completed 1 century of impact on the the service front. Now the 2nd century has started with lots of challenges, which all of us know. This COVID phase 1, phase 2, people are talking that phase 3 is also expected. And before it could damage further, let us all join hands, give this contribution to our foundation, and let us all be very proud that we have also contributed towards this, and we are also part of this wonderful service which is being carried out across the globe. Friends, with this, I don't want to take much of your time on this. This is what I thought I would share with you, and I'm very, very really honored to be with you all this evening in Multiple 321, the largest multiple of our country, and very nice to see so many learned people, learned members on this platform. I wish I could have met them personally in this, learned something from them further, because my age might be, I might be senior by age, but I'm sure that there are many members across sitting in this virtual platform who are much more experienced than me in various aspects, various service sites. So I am sure that I'll definitely get one day a chance to meet you all. And thank you very much for the wonderful opportunity you gave me. I'll always cherish this moment of spending my little time with 321 Multiple. Thank you very much. If you have any question, please put it on the chat box. As far as possible, I'll answer your questions. If not,
Nagraj ji,
yes, sir.
is this
JP sir, welcome.
Oh,
AID
Jay, namaskar, namaskar, बहुत बहुत namaskar. You are with us on the cabinet school.
Namaskar.
So happy to see you here, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. I'm
How
blessed.
are you? How are you?
I'm blessed, sir.
I was just saying that you are giving some figures for the LCIF for multiple district 321.
Yes, sir.
I would like to apprise each and every one of you that in the recent training of LCIF coordinators along with the district governors and vice district governors, most of the districts have already established their targets for this year.
Yes, sir.
Goals and whatever balances are there, major portion will be achieved. This is what we are contemplating.
Yes, sir.
And we are doing a good job, and especially district 321A2, B1 and E These 3 districts are doing a tremendous job.
Yes,
The
sir.
others are also trying to do best. Only thing is that what you were displaying in the list were 2 names for this major donors.
Yes, sir.
Uh, in that list, who's not there with us now, and he had pledged, but unfortunately he's not with us now.
Yes, sir.
So and there's another name was there other than the Kishore Verma. There was another name, Ranveer Uppal. Ranveer Uppal.
Yes.
Ranveer Uppal also is still to pay whatever pledge he had made. So my humble request to the leaders present from the district that please pursue all these leaders who have already pledged the donations to the LCIF, and please stress on the model clubs. Model clubs is the key to success, and kindly explain them about the model club also, so that we can successfully complete our goals and targets. And thank you very much for coming to 321, and welcome. Welcome, Rajesh Mehra ji also.
Kamsi was telling me that you will be here, but I didn't see you in the beginning. Now I saw you here.
No, I am in Kashmir. I am here. This net problem is there. So I could not join earlier.
No problem.
That is there.
Thank you, JPG. Nice to see you. Last week I was in Kashmir. This week you are there. Chalo, Kashmir is doing well.
Yes.
Thank you, B.S. Nagaraj ji. Very lively and very nice presentation.
Sir,
There was a
एक
question.
हाँ, एक question है, sir.
There was a question
Yeah.
which was, I'll read the question. The question says that if there are only 3 regular members in the club and all the 3 members contribute $500, will that club qualify to be a model club?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so the answer to the question is yes. If there are 3 members and they totally contribute $1,500, they will become a model club.
Yes, sir.
And there are no other questions. There are certain other things which I just wanted to add on to, if you permit me, Nagaraj ji.
Sure. But I will also learn.
I just wanted to stress, because a lot of people from our multiple are here.
Yes, sir.
The last date of commitment is 30th June 2022. So please fill up your pledge forms and submit to your district governors, so that all these pledges get counted for campaign 100. Once you finish the pledge, you have 3 more years after this year gets over, that is 2025, for you to complete your pledge. So I request everybody to make a pledge. Campaign 100 is more important because, as Nagaraj ji said, 100% participation has to be there. That 100% participation means that every single member of every single club should contribute. So please encourage your members in your clubs to contribute whatever amount they want. Let every member contribute something or the other. Another important point of campaign 100, or the model club, is that once you make a commitment, if you keep on adding members after the commitment has been pledged, your amount will not increase. However, if the new members keep on donating to LCIF, your pledge balance will keep on deducting. So it is better to make the commitment today and add members later on who can contribute to LCIF.
Right.
Wonderful. Very well explained, Kshitish Bhaiya. Very well explained.
Thank you.
I would like to
Kshitij
know
ji,
how
very
many
good
of friends here have
information you have given.
contributed.
Any other questions?
Rajesh ji, query. Rajesh ji, you had some queries.
No, I was just asking ad hoc. We have got about 104 friends here, including all of us. How many of us have actually contributed to LCIF so far? If you can
That's a
use
good
your
question.
picture, just raise your hand. Yeah, I can see Lion Tej. Of course, Nagaraj, I am also there. Birender is there. And Kumar Singh ji is there. Jagdish Gulati sir, obviously you're there. Sunil Vora ji is there. Narsingh Goyal sir is there. So I presume about 10% of we present here today. Lion AS Madan sir has raised his hand. So about 10% of the friends present here today have contributed. No problem. We still have time to contribute or pledge. First thing is just contribute, or if you want to plan it over a period of 3 years, then pledge. And more importantly, what Nagaraj sir was trying to tell all of us is carry this message to your clubs and motivate all the club members to contribute at least $100. That's all. If every member contributes even $100, I think the target of 3 million, we are short by about 80 or 90 million, sir, right? We will achieve that. So that is my request, sir. And I think 3-1 multiple, I mean, there is no dearth of funds. So it's just question of motivation, I feel. Thank you. Thank you so much.
We have another question. The question reads as, is it a fair policy of LCIF that a 3-member club can be called a model club while we take
Thank
it
you
as a
and
weak club?
welcome PID JP Singh ji to this enriched group.
I think the best person to answer will be JB Singh, sir.
No. The question raised is very
Valid.
correct, and the feeling of the member is also appreciated. But only thing is, if you have 100 members and nobody is donating, still if three members are there, all the 3 are donating. So may it be that it is not a model club, but still they are doing something for the society. For some reason, they are left with only 3 members. You understand that? Yes. So some donations are coming. So we must appreciate those people. It is not that somebody is creating a club to be a model club with 3 members. In that club, only 3 members are there as of now. So as of now, if all are donating, it is good.
Any other
JP,
question?
welcome. JP, welcome to enriched 2.
Ji Gulati Sahab, Sat Shri Akal.
Sat Shri Akal ji. Sat Shri Akal.
We have time for this presentation up to 9 o'clock. B.S. Nagaraj ji has taken very short time and he has detailed everything that could have been spoken about campaign 100. If there are any more discussions or any more questions,
There is a
JP
raised
ji, you
hand
can
from
invite.
Hardeep Singh ji. There is
Hardeep Singh has raised his hand that he has contributed.
Okay.
Yeah, he raised his hand for
Congratulations.
that.
Compliments,
Yes.
Hardeep ji.
So, if the house permits, I think we should move on to the next presentation.
There is a question, can Leo also contribute?
Yes,
Yes,
Leo can
definitely.
contribute. Even a non-lion can contribute. Any ordinary person can contribute. Somebody on the road can contribute. Any Tom, Dick, and Harry can contribute. It's not Lion and Leo alone. Anyone can contribute.
Even corporates can contribute.
Yes. So with that, we come to the end of the first presentation. I sincerely and pay my gratitude to B.S. Nagaraj ji and his mentor, Lion Rajesh Mehra. Thank you very, very much for taking this time out and detailing everything and being in touch with us for the last so many days, morning, evening, and night. I think we have really troubled you a lot with so many
My
changes
pleasure.
and presentations. Thank you very much. Thank you, Rajesh Bhai. I now request my first Vice District Governor, Saurabh Kanji, to present the next speaker.
Thank you, IPMCC Lion Dr. Kshitij Sharma ji. It's my proud privilege to present the second presenter of the day, MJF Lion Sunil D. Vora ji, who is from Lions Club Yavatmal Pharma. He is from multiple district 3234. He has a very glorious Lionism career. He was district chairperson for Peace Postal, Lions Quest, and many other. He was also the editor of Lions magazine, and he served as a district governor for the district 3234 H1 for the year 2018-19. And it is a coincidence that his slogan for the year was Seva Dil Se. And we also had the same slogan for our district in that year. Then Prabhat Chaturvedi ji or then district governor had the same slogan. So it is a very nice coincidence. He was also the multiple council chairperson for MD 3234 for the year 2019-20. And He gave his slogan as power to share power. He was there to enable new leaders, make new leaders. So he was in his training and all, every sort of enabling the new leaders. And as far as ISAME and other forums are concerned, he has attended 4 ISAME forums, 2 international conventions, and he belongs to a family of lions. His whole family are lions. His spouse, Lion Pushpa and Lion Amog are also Lion member. They are contributing to our family. And he is also served for various organizations. Like he is a life member of Red Cross Society, past secretary and president for Yavatmal Chemist Associations. He is also in the Lions Blood Bank Organizing Committee and Lions Diabetic Care Unit. He is a graduate in microbiology and pharmacy. And he is, not to mention, he is also FDI graduate, as we are also. And today he is with us to present a topic which is of his very keen interest, as he is actively involved in diabetic care and other health related social projects for a long time. He is also associated with Lions Diabetic Care Unit, as I mentioned earlier. And with these words, I present herewith before you the second presenter of the day, Lions Sunil D. Voraji, PMCC, on global causes diabetes. And the floor is all yours, Lion Voraji, and we wish you an excellent presentation for the day. Lion Voraji.
Saurabh ji, before Sunil Voraji, my good friend joins, some
Yes,
good
sir.
wishes from our council chairman also.
Okay.
Lion Sunil Vora, I welcome you to District 321.
We
The
have,
area of this 321 welcomes you. And really, I had met you on various occasions. I'm really happy to see you here in our multiple 321. Now the
Lion,
floor is yours.
thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Lion Voraji, it's our great privilege that along with our respected ID Lion JP Singh, sir, we have our chairperson for the council, Lion Raman Gupta ji, and ID endorsee Lion Jiten Singh Chauhan ji also amongst us. So it would be very kind of them if they can give their blessings to us for the occasion. Lion Raman Gupta ji and Lion Jiten Singh Chauhan, sir. May I request Lion Raman Gupta ji and Lion Jiten Singh Chauhan ji for their blessings.
थैंक यू सौरभ भाई। मुझे लग रहा है आप सब लोग इतना अच्छा कर रहे हो। हम लोग इस समय कश्मीर में हैं, तो हम लोग केवल शुभकामनाएं दे रहे हैं आपके अच्छे काम के लिए। और आप लोग जिस तरह से हमारे मल्टीपल के लिए, पूरे इस्लामी के लिए सब लोग काम कर रहे हैं, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एरिया के लिए जो काम कर रहे हैं, गुलाटी साहब का स्पेशली थैंक्स है कि वो उनके नेतृत्व में हम सब लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। और मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि हमारा मल्टीपल पार्टिसिपेट करते हुए निश्चित तौर पर नए मुकाम भी हासिल करेगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you, Jiten ji. Thank you very much for endorsing for director.
आपको हमारे सामने
Welcome, Raman ji. Welcome.
हमारे फ्लैट एरिया लीडर गुलाटी जी और सौरभ जी, और आज इस पार्टिसिपेंट जो भी इस प्रोग्राम में जुड़े हुए हैं, जितने भी पार्टिसिपेंट, उन सबको मैं मल्टीपल 321 की तरफ से शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। और एक नई पहल हुई है, आज दूसरा प्रोग्राम हमारे मल्टीपल में गुलाटी जी के नेतृत्व में सौरभ जी और जो काम कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए मैं आप सबको बधाई देता हूं।
Thank you, Raman bhai.
Thank you, Chairman Saab, and thank you, ID Endorsee Saab, for your good wishes. You have been so kind to bless us.
वो 321 ये ऐसी जगह से लीड कर रहा है जब मोदी जी इसीलिए पहुंच गए हैं।
Thank you, sir.
क्षितिज जी है क्या?
Yeah,
जी,
हैं, क्षितिज जी हैं।
सुन रहा हूँ, मैं देख भी रहा हूँ, सुन भी रहा हूँ दोनों। मैं देख रहा हूँ आपको।
क्षितिज जी, मुझे लग रहा है कि ये पूरा लीड कर रहा है गुलाटी साहब, आप, सौरभ जी, तीनों लोग इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हो। हमें तो लग रहा है भाई बनारस में आ जाए, क्या नहीं कर पाएगा।
चलिए ठीक है सर,
आइए, मोस्ट वेलकम, स्वागत है आपका।
थैंक यू सो मच। आप लोग कश्मीर में एंजॉय करिए, आप लोग कश्मीर का आनंद लीजिए सर। थैंक यू सो मच।
Sunil Voraji, heartiest welcome.
Now I once again present before you Lion Sunil D. Voraji, our second presenter of the day, with this topic on global causes diabetes. Welcome, Lion Sunil Voraji, with your wonderful presentation.
Thank you, सौरभ जी, for my great introduction. याद आ जाती है कि हमें क्या क्या काम करना है। आपने जो इंट्रोडक्शन दिया उससे एनर्जी और आ जाती है। एंड गुड इवनिंग एंड हैप्पी इवनिंग to all the members, all the participation, and with us present now the district governors of the 10 districts of multiple 3-1. I remember this multiple 3-1 as a crown of our India Lionism. In India, the crown of our Lionism is from the your area, that is Uttar Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Himachal, and Jammu, Kashmir, Delhi. We are great. I am feeling very grateful that I was learned something from your multiple, my mentor and my friend, philosopher, guide, Jagdish Gulati, PID, and PID JP Singh. I learned many things from him. I learned the services to be done in the global causes. And today I have a good mentor, Dr. Kshitish Sharma sir, and with us your Rajesh Mehra sir, Raman Gupta ji, MCC, Jitendra ji Chauhan, and Sanjeev Gupta ji, and the BS Nagaraj sir, our co-presenter. And this is, I'm feeling very grateful that I am invited to say my share with my thoughts with 3-1. The topic is very close to my heart. Topic is diabetes. Diabetes, though it is existing from the since our very long period, it is existing in India or in the ancestor way, but today and nowadays we feel that this is growing like anything. The diabetes, which is not a disease or not a invited disorder, it is comes by our regular way of life living. In many ways it comes unknowingly. Some are the authorities say that this is a very silent killer. This silent killer comes very silently because of some happenings which are not in our control. So the diabetes, firstly, we know something about the diabetes. More of the members are already acknowledged, already knowing the facts of the diabetes, its severity. But to start with this, we have to go with some ideas about the diabetes. The diabetes session, this session, at the end of this session, we will come to acknowledge, come to know the answers. What is diabetes? What causes diabetes? What are the risk factors? How to manage, how to control, and what we Lions can do for this diabetes, to prevent this diabetes, to control this diabetes risk factor. So this is our objective of today's this session. As all of the persons, we are know that some of the family members, some of the friend groups are suffering from this disorder. As a group of disease that affects you, body uses blood sugar. This is, I am explaining about the diabetes. First we explain the diabetes, then after we comes to next topics. As the glucose is the main cause, the main fuel to use by our body cells as a energy cells. Glucose is a vital to our health because it is important source of energy. The cells make up your muscles and tissue. Even brain uses the glucose. The glucose utilization in by our body, and this when this disturb get converted into diabetes. As per the WHO, 422 million people worldwide having the diabetes. Majority lives in low and middle income countries, or third countries, third area. But 1.6 million deaths are yearly happening due to the directly attributed with the diabetes. Number of cases and the prevalence of diabetes steadily increasing over the past 5 decades. Every year it may comes in more or the more numbers. The glucose, that is the sugar, the source of energy to cell, for cell, is the major factor. It was decided by, we get this from the food or it is deposited in the liver. Absorbed for the bloodstream, where it is cell enters the cells and help the insulin. हम ये समझ सकते हैं कि इंसुलिन के द्वारा ये ग्लूकोज ग्लाइकोजन या दूसरे फॉर्म में हमारे सेल्स में बॉडी में जाता है और जहां एनर्जी देखिए ये काम करता है. It is already stored in the liver, the sugar, and it will not come from the food, then it may comes from your liver. The liver changes the glucose and it's a glycogen, it is available to our body. So when the glucose levels are low and liver breaks down the stored glycogen into glucose, keep our glucose level within the normal range. ये नॉर्मल रेंज में रहना हमारी ब्लड शुगर की आवश्यकता है कि हम एक लिमिट में ही इसमें रहते हैं, क्योंकि हमारी बॉडी काम कर सके, हमारे एनर्जी सेल्स हमको काम कर सके, हमें एक एनर्जी काम करते मिले, उसके लिए आवश्यक है. दिस वाज ट्रांसफर. ऐसे हम समझ सकते हैं कि ये ग्लूकोज ट्रांसफर हमारे सेल को इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इंसुलिन होता है. Insulin is a hormone that comes from a gland situated in pancreas. In pancreas, it is a very tiny part of our body which have the islets of Langerhans and some beta and alpha cells, which produces the insulin. And the body automatically have the power to check the insulin and check pro-insulin. When the sugar increases, our body also sends some this is secretions which lowers down the sugar, and our body have all the second part of that to control the insulin in body and to get regularized with the sugar to our cells. As the various factors are going to affect this balance, sugar balance, insulin balance, and our body balance, and to get the energy to the whole body, some factors which may cause diabetes too. This is occur after the age of 40, and it is occurred by the some of the factors which we may discuss in the next slides. These are the weight, insulin resistance, inactivity, family history. These are the some causes. Because of that, we can attest type 2 diabetes. What is type 2 and type 1? In misconception, there were some conception or misconceptions are there. There's some are the say that insulin dependent, that when the medicine is not going to work, the insulin is the only medicine. This is type 1. They may be, that may be of juvenile one also, where the drugs cannot come, and the type 2 we acquire in the age of 40 or after age of major attendance. So what are the causes? Weight, inactivity, family history to acquire the type 2 diabetes. There are some factors also in the slide. You can see the slides, and I will. This is a possibility that you can get this presentation through our site or through our campaign. But the factors are age, some are adopted centers, gestational diabetes, some problems get arised with the high blood pressure, abnormal cholesterol and triglyceride level may also cause type 2 diabetes after attaining major age. The family history we learned, environmental factors. The family history may cause type 1 diabetes, that is insulin dependent. In the childhood, it after the age of 4, 5, 3 months or 4 months or 5, at the age of 16, the known that he is suffering from sugar, that is diabetes. The factors are many more different factors, how we come to know that. But the family history is very important, and environmental factors some of the time in the childhood, if any viral diseases occur, that may cause the type 1 diabetes. The pancreas as the second major cause is very dramatical one. The presence of damaging immune system, that is autoantibodies. The body antibodies itself get disturb the beta cell, alpha cell, which are present in the pancreas, and that because of that insulin presentation, insulin making is disturbed, and the type 1 diabetes may occur. So type 2 and type 1, most of the factors are same, but some factors are different. The long-term complication of both the type of diabetes are the same. Cardiovascular disease. We can if the person is not going to control or do take the sufficient precaution for that, then it may cause cardiovascular disease, that is heart disease, nerve damage, that is neuropathy, kidney damage, that is nephropathy. If we can't give the sugar, or we cannot enter the maintenance of the sugar, sometimes ketone bodies may form, and that the ketone bodies are from the protein. When disappears, that protein breakdowns, then the ketone bodies in our urine, they are passes, and this is the body loss because of that. So kidney damage and eye damage is also seen in some of the part. The major other factors are long-term combination. These are the complications are food damage. There is one type of infection which may cause into the food, and sometimes it calls as a diabetic food. The amputation is the last therapy of that one, that is to cut down the leg. ये बहुत अलग अलग तरीकों से हमारे शरीर में तो आता ही है डायबिटीज. स्किन में हमारे इन्फेक्शन आता है, हमारे हियरिंग पे प्रॉब्लम दे सकता है, अल्जाइमर डिसीज, memory loss, that may increase the risk of dementia. So the major complications with the diabetes are attached. The depression is also a factor which can increase by the diabetes. This diabetes may cause in the blindness, but it is a long-term part that it may affect your eyes. 145 million people with the diabetic retinopathy. Our Lions main cause with the side first is that we are going to cataract operation, but diabetic retinopathy is also a major problem. We are also going to give the grants from the LCI for this function, that is to cover this problem, and 45 millions with the sight-threatening diabetic retinopathy is also occurred. So looking towards these complications, leading cause of blindness in people between the age of 20 and 60 is occurring. We can prevent this by early diagnosing. We can do usually by the regular checkup in 6 months. We can avoid this problem. Usually it takes several years to reach the stage of it could be threatened, you shall say your side first, but it was a percentage is very low, that is 5%. What are the other factors for diabetes prevention? All of the person know, all of the some of the family members, some of the friends are suffering from this disorder, may know the maximum of this type of diabetes. The type of diabetes and food regulation, and nowadays when we get hospitalized for any matter, then the first person come to meet is the dietitian. The dietitian says us to take this one, and these are prevention measures about the food. The food, maize, bread, rice, some lower sugars, high sugars. We all are most of the common with these factors. Now, what is our strategy about diabetes? Our strategy must be to reduce the prevalence of diabetes, improve the quality of life for those who are diagnosed. Two type of, to share, to screen, to check, to reduce the prevalence. How can we control that? And second, how we can improve the quality of life for those who are already diagnosed type 1 or type 2. Our strategic plan for the Lionism, for the working, we are very much fortunate that even some European countries, they can't get the service activities. What service activity they can do, but we are fortunate that in our India, we are doing the major activities and major work on the diabetes to save our life and certainly to save our health problems. The strategic plan should be first in awareness. We should be, all our Lion members should be aware of that, what is the diabetes. And second part, after this awareness, we have to promote how to care about this. And this care taken should be covered with the services. So the round is complete: awareness, care, and our services. When awareness, we talk about the awareness, what our action should be, we get involved in serving the diabetes global cause. We have the 5 global causes for the Lions, and the major one is the touching heart service activities, diabetes. To get served with all the causes, way to get involved in serving diabetes is on our global cause is our most privileged stride. You, as you know, the symbol is stride for the diabetes awareness. We should get connected with the all factors and all measures, how we can work for the to control this diabetes. Type 2 diabetes screening, our actions. We can diagnose the persons we are known to the maybe in the society, but some of the time some persons doesn't know what they are suffering from this disorder. So the screening part is very simple. Before 2 or 3 years, we had one major drive for the screening of that. We have worked with the glucometers. The type 2 diabetes screening is our action. Diabetes peer support groups, our nearer, our society, our friends group that should know and work for the diabetes camps. These are our major actions. So our line members, when get acclimatized with the diabetes, when get when get they know the complications of the diabetes, they should work for the awareness. When we know everything, each and every part of the diabetes, then and then we will get convinced or get messages, give the messages to the other one. So for the which are the part we had learned there before, the inactivity. Inactivity maybe changes into physical activity. From run to a dance competition, this is activeness. This activeness prevents the inactivity and avoid the complications may arise by the diabetes. Get creative with the strides and use positivity and exercise to open the door and diabetes awareness. These are the parts. These are the matters, how we can get active, how we should avoid the inactiveness and get work for our health, and so we can avoid to promote importance of regular physical activity in the management type of 1 and 2. This is awareness part which we should give to the others and will come with the society. Type 2 diabetes स्क्रीनिंग, बहुत छोटा सा उदाहरण आपने कभी देखा होगा, छोटा सा ग्लूकोमीटर, कुछ स्ट्रिप लेके अगर हम जाते हैं और कहीं बैठते हैं और कोई बड़ी चीजों में हम इन्वॉल्व होते हैं तो स्क्रीनिंग 2 मिनट लेती है, लेकिन जिस आदमी की भी स्क्रीनिंग हो जाती है उसकी जान हम बचा देते हैं। मैं जानबूझ के एक छोटा सा इंसिडेंस यहाँ ऐसी 1 मिनट के लिए शेयर करूंगा। एक ट्रेवल्स का बहुत बड़ा ड्राइवर था जो ये नहीं जानता था कि शुगर है उसको, और अचानक उसने एक स्क्रीन अपने स्टीयरिंग पे सिर रख दिया और वो पता नहीं चला, वो बेहोश हो गया। This may happens in very time, and you had seen in the markets. Some of the person get down immediately. We can't understand this is any mental problem or it is mirgi or it is an hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia may cause very dangerous state. The mouth of the person is get controlled and locked, and he can't say anything. This hypoglycemia may measure into deaths also. So the screening, small screening that you are diabetic may save very important role, play a very important role. So help committee members to learn about the diabetes and understand the current health status of them, so they can take the medicine and go to the physician and can do the help ourselves, himself. Support groups. What are the diabetes? Our diabetic peer groups. That is support groups. Groups to encourage practical, social, and emotional support exchange between the diabetes. Many of the person get frightened. If they are going to any person, they feel that, oh, sorry, I'm not ready to take the tea. Sorry, I didn't ready to take the coffee. What they feels that if they say I didn't take the sugar, then they feel some shyness or many other things. So we have to acclimatize. We have to go with them, and so save their shyness and get involved with our groups. Participate, establish connection, and that is to learn diabetes management skill for their peers. If I know what about the diabetes, our line member know the diabetes. If someone is suffering from that, he knows that he is suffering from diabetes. He may take care immediately with them. So our support groups must be there. Over time, participants will feel the sense of community and acceptance that can lead to a better quality of life. This is our main support group we will start. And diabetes camps. It is very simple. Very simple. To organize a program with youth and gather to form a supportive network for peers. एक ग्रुप बन जाए हमारा, सब लोगों का, जब ये भी जानता है कि इसको टाइप 1 है, टाइप 2 है, नहीं है, इसको कोई कॉम्प्लिकेशंस हैं, हम जोड़ जाएं। हम अगर जुड़ते हैं और उसका एक कैंप लेते हैं और कैंप हेल्प्स देम पार्टिसिपेट टू इंप्रूव देयर डायबिटीज मैनेजमेंट। कई ऐसे छोटे छोटे पार्ट होते हैं, अगर आप व्हाट्सएप का ग्रुप भी बना लेता है और उसमें भी हम हमारे प्रॉब्लम शेयर करते हैं। दिस इज वन पार्ट। डायबिटिक पेशेंट ऑलवेज शेयर विद देयर फीलिंग्स विद द डायबिटीज पर्सन ओनली. He don't share, he very much time he don't share his feelings with the normal non-diabetic person. He may share with the physician, but he must not be shared with the other person. So the group helps them. The WhatsApp group or any type of media helps them to prepare the camps. So camps are very necessary to take in the school, in the society, in the temples, in the various part. There are wide variety of camps such as a day camps, overnight camps in society, in colony, in public places. So we can do this saving by diabetes. So we have 3 points. How can we serve for the society? With 3 parts. Beginner is the first part. Second one is our intermediate, and after that advanced. So we have to think about 3 types of working. First, beginner. How can we begin in the society for serving? We can do a small causes, small work to promote this awareness about the diabetes. Donate a small magazine, prepare a small magazine, give an idea about that to in many places where public places, in library, invite a role model. We can now we are very much aware of that some of the person already fighting with the diabetes, and they prove that nothing was bad in their life because of diabetes. So see, these are the role models. We have to call them. We have to take the advantage of their knowledge and about healthy lifestyle choices and give to the other person and camps in beginners. And in begin, we can do sponsor a child, attend diabetes. We can in the beginner post monthly notices for our club and district, write healthy lifestyle stories, choice and community to school and to newspaper. We can give the major factors to them so they can publish that. And this is a starting one. Organize a stride event in your community, in society, in school. Develop a list of patient resources. Make a list of some persons you know that these are they having the disorder, your sample one, and they must take the care of them, distribute this knowledge to the lines and other public. And the second phase after beginner is intermediate. The second step of serving is the line member. How can they serve? They can partner with the healthcare professional. IDF, Indian Diabetes Federation is there. Very much other social NGOs are there who are organizing the camps for screening, for retinopathy, for diabetic foot and other matters. So get partner, attached with that partner. Second one, promote the diabetes prevention with the media, radio. We can prepare the volunteers. There is a site, diabetes camp. From that, we can find out what are the nearest camp happening in our area. Sponsor a healthy cooking competition. The ladies are more, lady members are more interested in competition. Make a competition for healthy food. Make a competition to prepare the food for the especially for diabetes person. This will give another impact of intermediate service or objectives, and we can do these services with our line members and with the society. Organize a weekly walking club, morning walking club. Some of the cities, they are blocking the Sunday, the street roads, and they are running there and they are doing the yoga and other things. These are the factors which can give the PR also, but we can serve the society in better way. Bring the fresh fruits and vegetable to school and to school childs, and they give them the awareness about that this will save your life. This is required for the health, and this is not the junk foods and others. So we can give them a knowledge. Sometimes, though parents say that don't give the child this one, they don't hear. But the teacher and our censor, our person, our survey NGO person when go and this tell that, then they may acquire this new living standard, collaborate with the health professional we are going, but they are also not knowing that what are the preventive should be so say to the promote. So promote exercise and physical activity and attach with the healthcare professional. Donate need exercise equipment. There's 2 years, I told that 2 years before we had donated glucometer. Some of the major companies, Kshitish sir know that some of the major companies are ready to donate the insulin vial to the genuine patient, that is type 1 patient. So use this one. And after that, the advanced stage is there. To help in advanced stage, to organize a community support group, larger way, JDPI, I know a group, JDPI, Joint Juvenile Diabetes Parent Association. The parent, the doctor, and the juvenile person, they are having more group. They are going to the trip, they are going to the sessions, they are organizing advanced camp by inviting psychiatrist, child specialist, the health workers, and yoga teachers, very much. And they are taking and organizing community support group. So this is the advanced way. Work with the healthcare profession, organize mentorship program, pairing a younger person with the diabetes and the older men. There is, we know that in old ages, many people are not interested to talk with the senior one. Childs cannot able to get connected with the. We can organize this group. This group may work with the same way. And advanced second, organize school community vegetable garden, establish a fitness room in the school, sponsor a training program, community healthcare person, community support program, prevention of this diabetes.
Hi, I'm Dr.
Diabetes problem. I have a small video how the person get connected with this type 1 girl and what was his feeling and how he come out of this.
Hi, I'm Dr. प्रदीप गाडगे. आज मैं आपको एक टाइप 1 डायबिटिक बच्ची की स्टोरीज बताऊंगा. किस तरह से इसको सभी लोग अपने स्कूल में, उसके फ्रेंड्स, उसके टीचर्स कैसे कोऑपरेट करते हैं एंड एक्चुअली उसकी लाइफ बहुत ही एक मिजरेबल लाइफ से कैसे एक अच्छी लाइफ हो चुकी. बेसिकली जब ये स्कूल में जाती थी पहले तो उसके इंसुलिन के 4 टाइम्स थे, तो बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट होता था. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स उसका रिसेस के वक्त उसको इंसुलिन देना होता था एंड हर मदर यूज्ड टू एक्चुअली गो टू द स्कूल, सिट आउटसाइड, और जब रिसेस होता था तो मदर जाके देती थी. बट जैसे जैसे वो बड़ी होने लगी, उसके टाइमिंग्स चेंज हुए तो ये बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होने लग गया. तो इट वॉज सो नाइस कि उसके टीचर ने ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी खुद से ली. प्रिंसिपल अंडरस्टैंडिंग थे, उसके फ्रेंड्स को सभी को एक टॉक दिया गया. बेसिकली हमारे टीम से एक डायबिटीज़ एजुकेटर गए थे स्कूल में और प्रॉपर सारे स्टूडेंट्स को अवेयर किया गया कि टाइप 1 डायबिटीज़ क्या होता है, शुगर हो सकता है, अगर इस बच्ची को ये सारे लक्षण दिखे तो क्या करना चाहिए, किस प्रकार से टीचर के या प्रिंसिपल के ध्यान में ला के देना चाहिए, पेरेंट्स को कांटेक्ट करना चाहिए, लो शुगर कैसे हैंडल करना चाहिए. तो ये सारी चीज़ें करने के बाद में पेशेंट का स्ट्रेस लेवल बहुत कम हो गया. वो अपने पीटी लेक्चर में पार्ट भी लेने लग गई. उसका जो इनहिबिशन था, उसका जो एक मतलब बेसिकली जो वो खुद को इन्फीरियर समझती थी एज़ कम्पेयर टू अदर्स, वो एक चला गया, उसको सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट बढ़ गया. तो ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज देयर आर वेरियस रिसर्च टू शो दैट चिल्ड्रन सफरिंग फ्रॉम टाइप 1 डायबिटीज़ इवेंचुअली लैंड अप विद साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स. तो ये बहुत ही कॉमन प्रॉब्लम है. उनमें डिप्रेशन की कंडीशन ज़्यादा होते हैं, उनमें एंग्जाइटी इश्यूज़ ज़्यादा होते हैं, सुसाइड्स के केसेस ज़्यादा होते हैं बिकॉज हमेशा ये बच्चा एक अलग थलग रहता है सबके पूरे क्लास से. तो लकीली ये स्कूल बहुत ही कोऑपरेटिव था. उन्होंने सभी लोगों ने एक्चुअली एक ऐसा जिम्मा ले लिया जैसे इस बच्ची को अच्छे से हेल्प करना है एंड इट वॉज़ वंडरफुल सीइंग द एंटायर टीम टू बी सो कोऑपरेटिव. और ये बच्चे हमारे पास ऑलमोस्ट अभी पिछले 10 साल से आ रही है. अभी है और मैं 16 साल की हो चुकी है. तो 6 ईयर ओल्ड से आ रही है, 6 ईयर ओल्ड जब उसका एज था एंड शी इज़ डूइंग क्वाइट वेल. तो आई थिंक ऐसे लोगों ने सभी डायबिटिक पेशेंट्स को हेल्प करना चाहिए. दिस वुड मेक द वर्ल्ड अ बेटर प्लेस टू लिव. थैंक यू.
आपने ये स्टोरी सुनी, ये सिर्फ बच्चों के साथ नहीं होता, ये बड़ों के साथ भी होता है. हमने बात की थी कि हमारे लिए आइडियल क्या हो सकता है या हमारे लिए कैसा कोई पर्सन कैसे एक्टिविटी कर सकता है। एक कमल हसन का फोटो आपका दिया है। ही इज अटेंडिंग द एज ऑफ 66। ही डन पार्ट इन द 230 फिल्म्स approximately. He is an actor, dancer, film director, screenplay, producer, and you may know that he is a variable type of actor. He do everything. He is type 1. From the age of 6, he was suffering from the diabetes disorder. So the problem is same, but we have to fight them. One of the physician had said, Dr. Dongre from Asiatic Women Doctor, he told that these diabetes persons are commonly more intellectual than the other person. So this is the second part, but we have to produce a role model. We have to give some examples to get covered with the confidence. One of the story is our line member is Pat Ryan. Pat Ryan in 2017 in Chicago conference with a mission. He returned back to the home. It's Kentucky, and he screened the people's 1,08,000 person he diagnoses with the diabetes out of 5,600, 5,667,000 persons. He know that in his country, in his area, 5,67,000 persons are suffering from diabetes. He screened new patients, 1,08,000. So it was, that person was motivated by our international president, that time President Bob Carlo. And he does everything for them and get involved with them, and the surprising results are come. Most of the patients of diabetes are gone to the pre-diabetic, that is the HbA1c test is there, and they are pre-diabetic, so that is controlled diabetic. So what we can achieve, what we Lions can achieve is that we can make them have a life, better place to live, and make them the healthy. And the district, he was also granted by the district grant. Yes, grant is our main motto. In grant, from 3 years, I know that 1.5 lakh grant is allowed for the stride person, for the diabetes person, and our multiple is fortunate to get 2 diabetes grants of $1,50,000. The projects are very simple. The projects are only attached with the screening and the health checkup, and to give them a better life. The main role is that. So get the grant is very simple one. 1.5 lakh grant is readily available to all district governor. Your multiple having 10 district governor, you are having very much proudable leaders. Because of his JP Singh, we have able to establish a blood bank in our multiple. The factors are there. Grant is ready for that, but we have to give the humanitarian need. Nowadays, a mini grant is also available. Any club can call and grant mini grant from the international directly to the club, but they have to show that what they are doing for screening, what are they are doing for the care, and these are required. When we propose this diabetes grant we require, they will get the grant. So the grant is a major pattern. We have a grant of in Aurangabad. We have the grant with the Tukadoji Maharaj Sansthan in other way. The basic is to find out and to screen and to share with the diabetic patient and take care of them and do work for them. We Lions can do that. We can do that. And this is the main cause of our major services. There is a hashtag. There is hashtag Lions Fight Diabetes. Please go to this hashtag, celebrate and work for the diabetes, and the hashtag is available. This is Lions Fight Diabetes, and you can get this one from the direct our site. In LCI site, we have all the knowledge. We have all the supportive measures and the information about diabetes, the stride, special pin, special work, and the diabetes symbol is there. We are already attached with the arm, and we can fight with this, and we can do very much things in the field of diabetes. I acknowledge the Lions PID Narendra Bhandari and my mentor and my guide, PID Dr. Jagdish Gulati. I am also say the name of Aruna Oswal madam, which are the trustee from the LCIF, given the grants, VK Ladia sir, our PID Naval Malu sir, and with the area leaders of MD321, we're having great leaders and great area, that is Raman Gupta sir, NCC already, Vinay Mittal ji, and Deepak Chaudhary from Bombay, Binay Das ji, who had guided me very time, Kshitij Sharma and Saurabh Kanji, they have given me the good guidance and help me to get the with the acclimatized with the this session. And one thing which I remember is जिंदगी की मिठास सबसे ज्यादा जुबान में है साहब, किसी और में कहा, आइए इस मधुमेह से मधुरता से जीत के हम लड़ें, जीते आगे बढ़ें। आप मैं सब फिर से हम लोग मिलते रहेंगे, बात करेंगे, इस डायबिटीज ग्रांट्स के बात करेंगे, लेकिन अगर इसके साथ में कोई क्वेश्चन आंसर भी है, कुछ बातें अगर पूछने भी हैं तो मैं उसके लिए तैयार हूँ। काइंडली डू गाइड मी सौरभ सर।
थैंक यू सुनील वोरा जी, बहुत ही अच्छा और बहुत ही लूसिड आपका प्रेजेंटेशन था। आपने सभी एस्पेक्ट्स को टच किया और मैंने पूरे आपके टॉपिक के दौरान मैं सारी चैट पर ध्यान देता रहा। मुझे अभी तक कोई भी क्वेश्चन नहीं दिखा है। अगर मैंने कुछ मिस किया हो तो सौरभ जी या संजीव भाई मुझे प्लीज रिमाइंड कर देंगे if you are missing any question.
We also didn't find any questions, but lots of appreciations for you and Lion Nagaraj ji also. For your presentations.
सर कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है टीचर ने क्या पढ़ा ये भी समझ में नहीं आ जाता है।
And the most important thing, Lion Vora ji said that he will use 50% English and 50% Hindi, but here he used 98% English and 2% Hindi.
First presentation in English. Otherwise, I usually get involved with the Hindi. In the district governor training, I also prefer that Kamlesh Jain for Hindi group.
So but you are perfect in English.
It is because of your North India. It is because of Madhok ji and some leaders. I remember some forgotten some name, पर उनके कारण मैंने ये ज्वाइन किया था।
नहीं सुनील जी, बहुत अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन रहा आपका। You have touched very important and relevant issues. Practical hints you have given that how we can work for diabetes and remove diabetes. Especially the information about the diabetes grants will help the clubs, the districts, the multiple to achieve more in future. Thank you very much, Sunil, for your excellent presentation. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Please continue.
सौरभ जी, मैंने सबको अलाउ कर दिया अनम्यूट करने के लिए, तो जिसने अगर कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछना तो दे कम आउट नाउ। एवरीवन इज अलाउड टू अनम्यूट।
अगर किसी के पास क्वेश्चंस हैं तो आप लोग अपने को अनम्यूट करके अपना सवाल पूछ सकते हैं। अप्रिसिएशंस के लिए नहीं, क्वेश्चंस के लिए।
जी
मेरा एक प्रश्न है आपको। आपने बोला टाइप 1 टाइप 2 डायबिटीज। टाइप 1 क्या होती है, टाइप 2 क्या होती है? What is the what I would say that what is the diabetes and BP?
Sir, should I answer?
Sure. Yeah, sure.
Sir, type 1 is a juvenile type of diabetes. It occurs in the early age of our life. Children's more occasionally get suffered by this diabetes. In this diabetes, the patient was only dependent on insulin. No other oral medicine should be given for that. Because of that pancreas, that is pancreas which makes the hormones insulin and beta insulin is not working. The cells get damaged itself by auto antibodies or by any other fever or any other matter. They are not working. So because of unavailability of insulin, they have to give the insulin directly, which may be of various type and various origin. So the insulin dependent person is diabetes type 1. They are maybe maximum juvenile, but small age, but in the major it also happens. And the type 2, which is acquired diabetes, that comes around at the age of attending major age, that is 16, 18, 20, after the 40. Before sometime this physician may say that it occurs after the 40, but it after attending the major age, if the diabetes comes and if the sugar disbalance is there is some part of our pancreas is producing insulin, but which is not usable by the body, or the some insulin which produce body is not acclimatized with get connected with the insulin. So there is a requirement of some medicines that were oral medicine, and when oral medicines are given to the patient and he get corrected the sugar level, is type 2 diabetes. It is acquired after age. So this is the major difference. There are some other diabetes are also which comes around in the woman. They comes around in pregnancy, in some time, in many way. In corona field, you had get experience after giving the some steroids. The sugar level get high. At that time, doctor given them the insulin tablet, but they are get again with the normal life. So that was a type 2. This is not type 1 insulin dependent. So one type 1 insulin dependent, type 2 oral medicine.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
There is a question from line Naren Mehta, District Cabinet Secretary, District 321E. Can a link for mini club diabetes grant be shared?
Yes, I will share with you, sir.
Okay.
And this is also given in the. This
No
is
issue.
also,
You share with me. I will share with everyone.
One sec, sir. One sec. This is a This is a work perform is there.
Okay.
Yeah, this form is there. Service project to the planner. When you go to LCI's side, we get easily available. But I can also share with you.
Sure. Thank you.
And there is also project card is given. How we manage the project, how we work for the diabetes one. This pro forma is there. And
Okay. Great.
pro forma for working.
If you have a soft copy, kindly share it with us.
Yes, definitely I will give.
It can be downloaded from the website. It is everything is available on the website. Yes.
And Dr. Kshitij, can we request Rajesh Mehra ji, the mentor, for his words about his comments about these presenters? Can we request him?
In the meantime, Ragini Chandel has raised her hand. Ragini, I think you can unmute yourself and speak your come out with your question.
Hi, sir. Hi. Hello, everyone. I just wanted to know, because Dr. Kshitij Sharma is with us, and after Corona period, many of the kids got the diabetic things. Like after Corona, when they were recovered, when they have checkup, they got the diabetic. They got that they are diabetic. I don't know, because I'm not from that field.
I will just tell you. I'll just tell you about this. See, Corona is a viral infection, and many viral infections can cause damage to the pancreas. So if the pancreas get damaged due to a viral infection, the insulin production will be hampered and you may land up with diabetes. That is one cause of viral illness. Second cause of diabetes after Corona was many children or many adults, they were put on steroids. As PMCC Sunil Voraji said, the patients were put on steroids, whether they were kids or they were adults, they were put on steroids. Steroids increases the sugar level in the body, and when the steroids were tapered and stopped, these children reverted back to normalcy. So during the time when they were on steroids, they had to be given medicines, in fact insulin, to counter the effects of steroids. So these are two ways by which Corona can impact your diabetic status.
So it means it will not remain the same for the future.
No, if it is a viral illness, if the virus has damaged your pancreas, you will be diabetic for your life. If your diabetes was due to steroids, which was required because of your cytokine storm or your increased inflammatory response, then after stopping the steroids, the sugar levels will become normal and you may not have sugar.
But still, that H1BC test is positive. It is more than 6 point something. So they are now diabetic or they are non-diabetic. They can cure that.
HbA1c is the best indicator to check whether the person is pre-diabetic or not. Anything above 6.5 is taken as diabetic, and a person should treat himself as a diabetic. If his age is below, say around 18 to 20 years of age, you should start him on insulin. If he's a juvenile diabetes or maturity onset diabetes in the young, say about 25, 30, 35 years, then he can start with oral medications. If they do not help, you have to go back again on insulin.
So for 12 plus years, 12, 13 years?
12 plus years, if HbA1c is positive, even after stopping the steroids for 1 month, if it is coming as positive, then I can only say that the corona has damaged the pancreas and this child has to be thoroughly monitored lifelong. And if the sugars are going above the normal expected level, he has to be on insulin.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Most welcome. My colleague coordinator Saurabh ji had requested our mentor Lion Rajesh Mehra ji to speak a few words on the second presentation. If Lion Rajesh Mehra is with us, sir, I request you to please give your valuable words of praise or appreciation or guidance to Lion Sunil Vora ji.
Thank you, Dr. Kshitij ji. First of all, let me say this was a presentation where I learned a lot also. I was never diabetic in my life, but my last report for this H1BAC, right?
HbA1c.
HbA1c came.
HbA1c.
Yeah, it came about 6.3, and I was advised to take precautions. Otherwise, I have to start on medication. And so what I have done, just sharing personal this thing, I have started walking about 8.5 to 10 kilometers a day. And I have cut down on whatever the doctors advised me. And I've lost about 8 kgs. And my whatever the
HbA1c
it's come down to 6. HbA1c come down to 6. So what I understand is, being a non-doctor, is you have to keep yourself active, physically active, and that will help you. If you're on the borderline cases, you have a chance to not go into a diabetic situation and save yourself. So for that matter, I must thank Lion Dr. Sunil Vora ji, because not only for everybody here, but if this message is going to save a lot of lives, we are going to save a lot of people who can possibly just jump on medication because of the fear of diabetes. We have to understand that at a certain level, certain precautions taken is actually going to help you avoid medication, because once you start medication, that's what I was told, then you are stuck for lifeline. But Kshitij sir, you did mention something very important, that something because of the COVID and because of the steroids, if your reports have come higher, you have a period of 1 month to take care after stopping your steroids, and you may be lucky not to start on the medication. That's what I understood.
Absolutely, sir. Absolutely.
Yeah. So Sunil Vora ji, I think 70 participants or 75 here are actually going to benefit, because सब लोग confused है. Diabetes एक ऐसी topic है, हर बार लोग confused हो जाते हैं. एक रिपोर्ट से लोग डर जाते हैं, और मेरा ये मानना है, बिकॉज मुझे अच्छी गाइडेंस मिली थी, और अब माय लास्ट रिपोर्ट हैज कम डाउन, मींस अगर हम अपने को एक्टिव रखते हैं, अगर फिजिकली फिट रखते हैं, तो we can avoid this medication, and which we can avoid damages to our pancreas, which is going to help us. So thank you, Sunil Vora ji, very, very informative presentation, and I'm going to request you personally to share that presentation with me. I would like to go on see the presentation again and again, and share with my club members and wherever possible in our district members, to understand the importance, how to first of all please avoid diabetes at any cost. So I think that's a message I carry today. Thank you for this opportunity, Kshitij ji and Saurabh ji. It was wonderful to be with all friends from 321. Thank you for this opportunity. God bless us all.
Thank you, sir. We have with us past district governor from 321D, Lion A.S. Madan, who has raised his hand. Madan साहब, आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अपने को अनम्यूट करके जो आप पूछना चाहते हैं पूछिए प्लीज.
सबको मेरी नमस्कार है।
नमस्ते नमस्ते जी।
दोस्तों, आज बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से आप दोस्तों ने एक प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज किया है, उसके बारे में कहना चाहूँगा कि मैं 94-95 का डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर हूँ। गुलाटी साहब के टाइम के आपस में मिलते जुलते रहे। आज तो एज हमारी ज़्यादा हो गई है तो हम लोग ज़्यादा प्रोग्राम नहीं देख पाते हैं, अपने व्यूज़ एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते। मेरी एक ही सबमिशन है आप दोस्तों से कि आप लोग आज जो भी प्रोग्राम हुआ है हमारे यहाँ, उसको जो भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स हैं इसके अंदर, और इसके अलावा जो हमारे मल्टीपल के पास इसके गवर्नर्स हैं, उनको आज के इस प्रोग्राम के बारे में आप एक छोटी सी बुकलेट बना के दें, ताकि हम लोगों को इसके बारे में पता लग सके और हम आगे अपनी क्लबों के अंदर इस चीज़ को एजुकेट कर सकें उन लोगों को कि ये हमारे प्रोग्राम में होता है और उन्होंने इस बात से ये सीखना है। क्योंकि नॉर्मली देखा जाए वेबसाइट के बारे में, दूसरी चीज़ों में बहुत सारे लॉयंस को इसके बारे में और वो लोग इसमें पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर सकते, उनको नॉलेज नहीं है इसके बारे में। मेरी अपनी बात बताऊं कि मुझे भी आपका लैपटॉप या आज का जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया, वो उन चीज़ों से हमारे को इतनी नॉलेज नहीं, हम लोग नहीं करते हैं। तो मेरी यही रिक्वेस्ट है जाने वाले वक्त।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मदान साहब आपकी
इन्फॉर्मेशन के लिए। मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप जूम मीटिंग जो है उसको रेगुलर रखें।
मदान साहब आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि
चीपेस्ट मेथड ऑफ एक्सप्रेसिंग योर ट्रूथ।
जी मदान साहब बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपके सुझाव के लिए। आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि ये सारी टॉक्स जो हैं ये रिकॉर्ड हो रही हैं और इसको YouTube पे अपलोड किया जाएगा और आप जब भी चाहेंगे इसको आप एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। तो आपके लिए ये परमानेंटली लाइफ लॉन्ग अवेलेबल रहेंगी, जब भी आप ये टॉक्स चाहेंगे इसको एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। Ragini Chandel ji, please unmute yourself and ask your question, whatever you want to say.
Sorry to bother you all again. Thank you, Sunil sir, Saurabh ji, Jagdish ji, Dr. Sitish Sharma. I just wanted to know कि हम लोग नॉर्मली डायबिटिक कैंप लगाते हैं तो पार्क में या तो कहीं स्लम एरिया में और बड़ों के लिए लगाते हैं। क्या इसके कोविड के बाद से हम लोग स्कूल्स में या वहाँ जहाँ छोटे बच्चे हैं वहां पे भी लगा सकते हैं? मतलब
Not really. I will just tell you, not really. See, if you have a child who's not gaining weight or rather he begins to lose weight, टाइप 1 डायबिटीज के बच्चे जो होते हैं वो ओबेस नहीं होते हैं, वो वेट लॉस करना शुरू करते हैं। तो आपको एक बच्चा मिलता है जो कि फ्रीक्वेंट यूरिनेशन करता है, बहुत सारा पानी पीता है, उसको भूख बहुत ज्यादा लगती है, ज्यादा खाने के बावजूद जो है वो वेट लूज कर रहा है और उसके पास कोई हिस्ट्री है कि उसको पहले कोविड जैसे सिम्टम्स पहले हुए थे या उसको किसी वजह से स्टेरॉइड पे रखा गया था, उन कंडीशंस में उन बच्चों के हम लोग शुगर टेस्ट करते हैं। तो इफ देयर इज अ ग्रोथ फेलियर, उन बच्चों में हम टारगेट कर सकते हैं। तो आप स्कूल्स में टीचर्स को ये बता सकते हो कि आपके क्लास में जो बच्चे जो हाइट गेन नहीं कर रहे हैं, जो वेट लूज कर रहे हैं, उन बच्चों को जरूर हमें चेक करना चाहिए। बट इट्स नॉट देयर दैट स्कूल्स में बहुत बड़ी आपको कैच नहीं मिलेगा। आप संसाधन तो उतने ही लगाओगे बट उतने बच्चे आपको नहीं मिलेंगे स्क्रीनिंग के लिए। एंड मेनी चिल्ड्रन में नॉट बी एग्रीइंग रेडिली टू गेट अ फिंगर प्रिक डन। बहुत सारे बच्चे नहीं चाहेंगे कि उनको फिंगर प्रिक करके आप चेक करें। तो टारगेटेड स्कूल में टारगेटेड अप्रोच होना चाहिए। अगर बच्चे ग्रोथ रिटार्डेशन हो रहा है या ग्रोथ इंप्रूव नहीं हो रही है और कोई भी सिम्टम उनके पास डायबिटीज का है और उनकी हिस्ट्री है कोविड की या हिस्ट्री है किसी और इलनेस की वजह से स्टेरॉइड देने की, उन बच्चों को आप जरूर टारगेटेड चेक करिए।
नितिन जी कुछ ऐड करना चाहिए?
सर जस्ट अ सेकंड सर, एज फार आई नो कि लाइक मेरे जो डेटाबेस में है कि इस बार जो ये वाली वेव आई थी मार्च अप्रैल वाली, उसमें बहुत से बच्चे कोविड पॉजिटिव आए थे एंड उसके बाद मेनी पर्सन आई नो कि हाँ सबका किसी का कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल का था, किसी का डायबिटिक लेवल था। जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू टेल कि लाइक क्या हम क्योंकि अभी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हो रही हैं, ऑफलाइन नहीं हो रही हैं, बट बिकॉज
ऐड करना चाहूंगा मैम, कुछ ऐड करना चाहूंगा क्षितिज जी प्लीज।
जी
तो मैम जो आप बता रहे हैं स्कूलों में कैंप लेना, ये दो तरीके से हो सकता है। वहाँ के टीचर्स के लिए आप कैंप लें और टीचर्स को ये समझाएं कि जैसा सिटी सर ने बताया कि बच्चा वेट लूज कर रहा है या पढ़ाई में पीछे जा रहा है या अकेला बैठा रहता है या कुछ ऐसे प्रॉब्लम जो समझ नहीं पा रहा, ये चीजों के लिए अगर आप वहाँ कैंप ले गए तो वो टीचर वो चीज को अगर समझ जाएगा तो वो आपको जब भी तकलीफ होगी वो आपको कॉन्टेक्ट करेगा। तो आप कैंप वहां ले सकते हैं टीचर के लिए, लेकिन अवेयरनेस दे सकते हैं सभी को, क्योंकि छोटे बच्चे भी जैसे आप बताएं कि कई छोटे बच्चे फैमिली में ऐसे होते हैं जो अपने दादा पापा को इंसुलिन का इंजेक्शन देते हैं, तो वो लोग भी ये चीज को समझ के फैमिली में काम कर रहे हैं, वहां अवेयरनेस कैंप लिया जा सकता है।
वेरी गुड सजेशन वोरा साहब। Very good suggestion.
Yeah, that's a good suggestion, sir. But I just wanted to ask कि like कि अगर क्योंकि इस टाइम में बहुत लोगों को हुआ था, तो अभी क्योंकि सबकी ऑनलाइन होती है
मैं
और
आपको यही बता रहा हूँ ना कि आप टारगेटेड देखो, जिनको हुआ था उनको जरूर चेक करो। क्योंकि स्कूल में अगर 5000 बच्चे या 2000 बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं, उसमें से 20 बच्चों को कोविड हुआ है, तो स्कूल में 2000 बच्चों के लिए कैंप लगाना जो है, बच्चे वो
सर 5000 में से 4000 बच्चों को हुआ होगा।
तो आप
बट
जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि प्रेवलेंस ज्यादा, वहां लगाइए, वहां कैंप करिए।
एक्चुअली हाँ, वहां पे लाइक वी कैन डू ना कि लाइक हाँ, क्योंकि
Definitely.
लगता है एक बार लास्ट
कैंप
टाइम
करने के लिए कोई
80%।
मनाही थोड़ी है, आप बिल्कुल कर सकते हो।
हाँ नहीं, लाइक लेकिन बच्चों के स्कूल में जाने का मतलब है कि मतलब उस चीज, क्योंकि अभी तक हम लोग एडल्ट में काम किया है।
नहीं, आप प्रिंसिपल को समझाइए, टीचर्स को एक्लिमेटाइज करिए, अगर वो तैयार होते तो करिए।
ओके सर, ओके, थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन।
मोस्ट वेलकम। सौरभ भाई, कैन यू सी एनी अदर हैंड रेज्ड?
No, not any. No.
हाँ, so I think we are almost running time to
Yes.
time. 9:50 से 9:55 तक वोट ऑफ थैंक्स का टाइम है आपका।
जी।
तो मैं एक बार और पूछना चाहूंगा, कोई और कुछ कहना चाहता हो इससे पहले सौरभ भाई वोट ऑफ थैंक्स दें? राजीव
कुकरेजा जी, GLT कोऑर्डिनेटर।
जी राजीव भाई बोलिए, अनम्यूट करिए पहले अपने को, पहले अनम्यूट कर लीजिए।
I would like to thank everyone who have participated in this seminar, and especially to Kshitish and Saurabh from my multiple. Thank you everyone who joined us today. We will host so many seminars in future too, in our district also. I'm thankful, Saurabh and Dr. Kshitish. Thank you.
Most welcome. Saurabh bhai, please give your
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Sir. My co-coordinator for this evening, and you have always been very supportive in spite of your very busy schedule of your professional and this linistic life. You are moving from so many places. First of all, my special thanks to you for all your coordination. The success belongs to the teamwork that everyone has done. First of all, I would like to thank PID Lion Dr. Narendra Bhandari ji, who is our GAT constitutional area leader, and our own PID Lion Dr. leader for our area MD 321 for conceptualizing this unique idea. This is a wonderful idea of leadership seminars, and especially seminars on linistic topics in this new GAT ISAME Enrich. And the credit goes to the whole team working with this team of our leaders, and everyone deserves kudos for this excellent work that they are doing. My special gratitude and thanks to our PID Lion JP Singh ji, ID Endorsee Lion Jiten Singh Chauhan ji, MCC Lion Raman Gupta ji, who have joined us from Kashmir, and in spite of poor network, they were with us for a long time and also gave their blessings to us. We are really very thankful to us and to them. And I have also witnessed that our chief mental lion, Dr. Deepak Chaudhary ji, also joined us for a short time. And this program, the GAT ISAME Enrich second series, is a brainchild of his only, and he is the chief coordinator for all this. And my special thanks to him. My heartiest congratulations and thanks to our presenters for the day, Lion B.S. Nagraj ji, for his excellent presentation on this campaign 100. And my special thanks to Lion Rajesh Mehra sir, who is his mentor, and he has also been my mentor in FDI, and I am very grateful to him that he has been with us for the entire program, and he has also blessed us with words of wisdom and his appreciation about the second presenter also. And my congratulations and thanks to the second presenter, Sunil D. Vora ji. Very beautifully you have presented this entire topic on diabetes and what we can do through the grants and all everything, and very simple words. And you told in the beginning that you will be using the Hindi language for most of the time, but surprisingly and very heartening to see that you have used 98% English in your presentation, and your presentation was really wonderful. My special thanks and congratulations to all the leaders, our district governors, our vice district governors, our past district governors, our GLT coordinators from all the districts of multiple district 321. Because the success of this program that even in the end, when we are presenting the vote of thanks, still there are around 60 participants with us. This all credit goes to you and your leadership, and we are very thankful that you have been with us in these presentations. And above all, my special thanks to all the enthusiastic and graceful participants from MD 321 and all over ISAME. With your presence this evening went off very well. The presentations went off very well, and we really enjoyed. Everyone here enjoyed and learned a lot. And also we enjoyed the pleasure of your company on this virtual platform. And my special thanks to our coordinator, Line Binoy Das, who is looking 3 areas. He has also been with us in this session, and he has also helped us in all these presentations throughout. So thank you once again, everyone. Have a very good night, and we will see you again in our next month's presentation. Thank you so much. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.
सौरभ भाई मीटिंग बंद कर दूं?
जी.
Yeah, all the best to all of you. See you
Just
soon.
to remind everybody.
Saurabh, congratulations to you.
Thank you,
Just
sir.
to remind everyone, the next presentation will be on 21st of October.
Thank you, everyone. It was nice session.
And we hope that the feedback form has been filled by everyone, because it has been shared
Thank you,
a number
everyone.
of times.
Mubarak, Saurabh ji, Mubarak.
Thank you, Banga sir.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Sol sir.
Thank you, Saurabh bhai. Thank you, Dr. Chiti Sharma ji.
Thank you.
Goodbye, ji. Good night, everyone. I'm closing the
Thank you all.
meeting.
Thank you all. Very well organized meeting, for this very well organized meeting.
Thank you, Line Kohli ji.